If you want to set a song from Spotify as the alarm sound on your Motorola smartphone, then first of all, we need to go to the clock app over here. Next, we're gonna tap on the text that we have above the time when the alarm goes off. So usually it is like today, tomorrow, or something like that. And then in here, we can tap on sound and we can simply switch to Spotify category. You need to have Spotify installed on your phone, but then we can of course choose whichever song we would like to choose. We can also see some radio options in here and so on and so forth. We have artists and so on. So you can choose, for example, a radio over here in order to choose specific radio in here, or you can go for just specific artists. And that's pretty much it. And we can also see some recommendations in here, so we can choose specific songs from here. So besides that, we have the search buttons. If you want to search for a specific song, then you can do so in that place. Leave a like and subscribe.